Hello, Stampin' friends. This is Monica Giberti with Stampin' with Monica, and welcome for my quick Sunday recap. Let me just check if I am in the right spot. So, my weekend has been pretty busy. I hope yours was good. I just got home from Richmond, Virginia. We left early this morning and got home this afternoon. I was at a baby shower, and you know how traffic it is in the northern part of Virginia. It could be 50 minutes or it can be 2 hours, and it was a matter of 2 hours this time. But anyways, I am popping in to just give you a few reminders of what's happening in my world as far as Stampin' Up. So my jobby. So I am here to remind you about the Help Me Grow class that I have available for grab, meaning that you can get the supplies to recreate these cards, okay, with a minimum qualifying order. So you will just need to place an order, and tonight is the deadline because it is April 26th, right? So it is the deadline for you to place an order, and your minimum of $50 order before shipping and tax, and after you apply your Stampin' Rewards will give you I will prep the supply. So meaning, and I will cut the designer series paper, I will cut everything, score, provide you with the die cuts that do not require any stamping. I cannot send you pre-stamped images. So, and I'm usually do most of the die cuts and embossing. So basically when you receive my kits, you just need to stamp if they don't, and die cut the part that needs to be stamped. So for example, for this one, I will include everything. So this is a cutie patootie box that has a beautiful lavender sachet, and that will be included in your packet as my extra thank you. Also, you receive the PDF included with all the step-by-step instructions on how to assemble. I did 2 videos this past week where you can watch me assemble the projects. So basically you take your cardstock, you fold it, and you follow. You will have to stamp. And if you don't have this bundle, but have another bundle with sayings, then you can substitute it. But the bundle that was not available, I think, is back in stock. So this is the box. Then we have this fun fold right here, okay? The other thing that I want to point out, you might receive a different pattern in your packet of the DSP, but it will be all coordinated because I want to show you what I did during my live. I showed you how to put together this card, but the tutorial will have this picture, so you will might have different designer series paper, okay? So that is that. Then we have this cutie patootie. Yet again, the only thing that you will have to do in this one is stamp the outside and the inside. Everything will be provided, okay? Number 2. Number 3, I will die cut, and then you will just need to stamp whatever you need. I will provide you with the linen thread with your order of $50, and then if your order goes over $60, then I will include a full pack of the embellishments that we used, okay, as my extra thank you. So that is the other 3rd card, and then the 4th card is this beautiful pocket. I showed you how to cut. I will send you the paper scored, but I will not do any of the cutting. That will be something that you will do, as well as the stamping right here. The designer series paper will be cut for you, okay? This will be die cut. This will be die cut. And also I will give you a piece of basic white in case you have the dies, and you can just decide what to do. But basically this is my class to go, free with a purchase, okay, meaning that you get a free kit to recreate, to assemble. Basically is mostly recreate this, okay. The deadline is tonight, so I already sent out an email reminder, but this is my video to remind you of what I have. And then next week, the class that I'm going to do is well, I had my samples here. Well, I can give you a little bit of a preview. Is something similar to this, and we're using a set of bundle that is on the online store. So next week, the class will be a purchase class, meaning that you will pay for a class and I will send you the supplies, designer series paper, embellishments, and ribbon included. PDF is included, and you will have the chance to purchase the class or purchase just the PDF, okay? I will post the details starting tomorrow on how you can grab your class. You will get a half a pack of the designer series paper, some specialty paper, and also the designer series, the embellishments and ribbon. I'm trying to find the pamphlet so that I can show you, but I can also grab the paper if I have it here. Even more, this is what your kit might look like, okay? So you will get your paper. I will cut and die cut this part right here for the specialty paper, but everything else you will need to cut. You will get your ribbon, you will get your embellishments, and inside you will have the supplies to recreate the projects that I will show you throughout the week next week, okay? So that is a class that you will purchase, okay? The one that I just showed you is free with a purchase, meaning you will place an order to receive this class for free. The class that I'm doing next week, it is a class that you register for. You don't purchase, you register for, okay? What else do I need to remind you of? I know there's a lot that I need to tell you. The other thing, I just schedule an email to go out, and I announced my in-person kickoff event, and originally I scheduled it for May 9th. Instead, I need to move the date to May 23rd, okay? That will be an in-person event where you're gonna register for $35. You get at least 4 make and takes. You get a goodie bag of Stampin' Up product. There will be light refreshment. Then if you don't already have your catalog, you will get a copy of it, and then chance to win door prizes, okay? So I hope you can join me on May 23rd. It's going to be on 2 times. One will be from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the other one will be 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So 1 session in the morning and 1 session in the afternoon. And quickly, I already announced the In Color Club for the new 2026-2028 product in colors. In my In Color Club, you receive the ink pad, you receive the ink refill, you receive the full bolt of ribbon, you will receive the stamping blends, the new brush. Now we have brushes, in color brushes in each of these colors. You will get a sampling of the designer series paper as well as sampling of the specialty paper that are the new this year. And also you will get a sample. I will create a card for you, and then you will get a gift, at least 2 gifts throughout the 5 months. Okay, this is a 5 months commitment. Already set up a link where you can register and set up your subscription via PayPal. If you don't want to use PayPal, you want to use something different, contact me and we can make an arrangement for that. But I need to have the payments by the beginning of each month. We start in May and we end in September. The cost is $71 plus $9 shipping, and it's the price for 5 months. Each month, that will be the cost. So you can choose to have it shipped to you, or if you're local, you can come and pick it up. Okay, so that's the difference in price. I hope you can join it this year as well. It's a nice way to collect the ink colors on a budget. So instead of spending all at once, you get something each month, all packaged up, and then little gifts that I include in there. Okay, so the deadline to register, I think I put it for May 3rd, because I won't be able to order any of these until the 5th of May. And so this month, for the month of May, we are going to be a little bit delayed, but the payment will have to get to me at the beginning of the month so that I can place the order. Order comes in, I sort out, and then I prep it for you. Okay, so that is that. I wanted to remind you. So mark your calendars for May 23rd for my catalog kickoff event. Then if you want to join my ink color club, you're more than welcome. I've done this for many years. And also, before I forget, the Silly Old Bear Suite of Product Mega Class registration closes on May 3rd. And then I will get up pretty early on May 5th to place the order for all the supplies. Okay, so there you go. These, then I am going to just put out here the cards that you might get in my class to go. Remember, place an order, a qualifying order of $50 or more, and you get the supplies. But you have to do it by tonight, okay? And next week will be a different class that I hope you can join me and watch the videos, and you can register for the class, meaning that you pay in advance. I will package up everything, place the order for the designer series paper, embellishment, and everything, and then ship it to you, or you can come and pick it up if you want to. But you will need to have the bundle that we're using. Okay, so that is all, and the class will consist in 5 projects. Okay, 5 projects. That is all that I wanted to let you know. Thank you for being here, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend or your Sunday, and I will see you this week. Bye bye.